Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change channel order on YouTube TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.tv.youtube.com and get signed in into your account. Once you're done, all you gotta do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. After doing this, you can simply go to the settings and go to the live guide section. So once you're in the live guide section, you will have everything, like every channel that is listed under the live guide. Now use the drag handles, that is the three arrow like lines, three horizontal lines, to rearrange the order of the channel, or you can also use the upper arrow and lower arrow button to do so. You can also check uncheck channels to show or hide them, and change will sync across all the devices. So by doing this, you can simply change channel order in YouTube TV. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.